Uthandweni ka-Anathi kanye-ke noThulani ngazuthi luphelwa isikhathi ngazuthi manje-ke uLulama uyawina. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 11th to the 15th of March 2024 on Monday. Umsimelelo can't manage his home and the kids have had it. Anathi and Thulani grows more distant. Zimkita and Dando switch up on Nobomi after seeing the now fully renovated Mqenge hotel on Tuesday. Unozuko orders Thulani to put a leash on his fiancée. Sivuyile does things behind Msimelo's back that could get him into trouble on Wednesday. Uthulani and Lulama scratch and itch. Hlumelo stops Nobomi's plan in its tracks. Msimelo walks into a Sodom and Gomorrah's house on Thursday. Lulama holds Thulani's marriage happiness in her hands. Nozuko's betrayal of Nomaflower backfires. Sivuyile and Msimelo's fight escalates on Friday. It's the grand opening of the hotel and one Mqenge family member is unhappy about not being the star of the show. Thulani tempts fate when he wanders off to a hotel room alone. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.